that window up. Oh, I got a broken window. Not like physically broken, it just, the electric thing, it works up until about that far from the top and then it goes back down. I've been meaning to get it fixed for a while, but whatever. Anyway, hi guys, how's it going? I'm Eliza. Welcome to another vlog. Today is, oh my god, I never know what day it is. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. It is fucking horrible weather. It is wet, it's windy, it's cold. It's 10.5 degrees at the moment. Thankfully in my car it's nice and warm, and I've got about only 3 layers at the moment, so that's not too bad. So today I have a day off, which is always good. I got up early this morning. I started working on my assignment that is due tomorrow night, so yes, I should have started it earlier. I mean, I did start it, I just hadn't really worked much on it, but I did spend this morning a couple of hours on that. Just caught up with a couple of friends. They're laying grass out today. I was like, excellent, you picked pretty much the wettest day of the year, but that was cool. I actually didn't do much. I mainly just sort of supervised. So I've got Morgan slaving away, writing my assignment for me, which is awesome. Crushing it. Well, because I'm doing a life cycle assessment on Shiraz and Morgan actually studies wine, it only makes sense. And I'm offering good moral support, right? Sure. Good moral support. It is actually such a nice day today, way better than yesterday. We're going to go for a drive shortly up to the Barossa. Adelaide Hills, I mean. Good day for Uggies. Good morning to you, bok choys. And bok choys, and are they peas or what? I don't know. No. But yeah, we're gonna go for a drive, and we've done how many words? 983 or 1500, and by we I mean Morgan. So Morgan and I are about to leave for the Adelaide Hills, not the Barossa, I lied. So we're just going up there to get Ben a birthday present. Well, Morgan's getting him a present. I figure this won't be up before his birthday, so he's not going to see that. It's still pretty chilly today though. At least the sun's out, so I'm kind of happy about that. Makes it a lot easier. Oh, hello. Hi, kitty. Working on your tan, huh? Oh, let's get here. Is that better? Hi. Hi. Oh, and you disappeared. You are so pretty. So not like that. Hi. Look at her cute little paws, Delilah. Ow. Oh, goodness me. My poor legs, my poor knees, hey? My old age. Alright, Morgs, you ready? Woo! Let's do it! So we're just about to leave. I'm just waiting for Morgan. I bet you she asks me to shut the garage. Like it's my job. Because I'm not driving. So it's fair. So I'm pretty sure I know her that well. Wait and see. She's coming down. Just have it. Good. I'll just put all my sunglasses on. Oh, whatever. Let's hope this doesn't fall. I'll hold you.
Shit, maybe I do need to get diesel.
Jesus. It's gonna be a good day.
I'm very close. Hold on. Let's try that again, shall we? You would have to shut the garage too, Liz, baby.
I'm gonna have to shut the garage. Alright.
Sorry, none of that remote shit.
Yeah.